Hey guys, today I'm going to draw Banana Guy from Stumble Guys, and I'm going to construct him up first because we want to get it looking good. So I'm drawing a straight line for where the top of the glasses, and I've got to work out the banana shape. So using the natural movement of your hand, you can get that curve looking pretty good. This one on the other hand is a little bit different. His glasses come out to there. This one curves back in and then hits that top bit. That's the top of the banana. Then comes down and around there for the glasses. That comes down. And using a pencil to sketch him out first is a great idea. Rather than just drawing straight in details, I like to sketch out and create some little shapes of where things are going to go. That's one shoe, and then the other shoe's back about there. Now, that is my construction lines. I'm just going to make that a little bit higher, and then this is where his glasses are going to be. Let's just plan that out. Yep, comes out of it there. Yep, they look pretty even. Now, having that structure helps with the rest of your drawing. Now I can start to outline with confidence and know that it's going to work for me. So let's start with his glasses. A U shape like so, or a semicircle, and another one. I'm just going to make that bigger. Just bring it out because there's a little bit of a space there. Now I'm going to go straight across here with this line. Excellent. Now the mouth is going to be here. No expression whatsoever. He's a cool banana with wearing sunnies. Now this line coming up to the top of the banana, and we're going to bring that down to the bottom of the banana, and this is the little, like the end piece of the banana. So I'm going to just bring it up like this and then curve it around like so, and that just clicks into there. Now this part here, it sort of bends out, comes out and then comes back in. So we're just going to bring that around like so. And then continue that line up to the top. And we're going to see the top of this as well. So I'm just going to draw a little bit of a similar sort of shape to that. Now it's going to come down and then out for the banana. Now this is his glasses here. So we stop, put the glasses in. Now the reason you can see these side of the glasses is because he's looking that way, and that's why this foot's down a bit more. We'll see more side on of this foot. He's just in a different stance. He's not full frontal. So bring this down, and now his arm has to join. So if we bring his arm like this, out to there, that looks pretty good. Now we're going to bring his, almost like a boxing glove on, little shape like so, and his hand comes around and then kicks out for the thumb like that. And there's one hand. And then the other hand you don't see much of. So just here you see a little bit of the arm, a little bit of the same sort of shape as that, and just a little ball shape down like this. Sort of tucked in behind there, his little thumb is in there. This now needs to come down, and then we need to bring his foot out, his leg, sorry. His leg comes, almost touches his hand, so bring that line there, and a shape like this, and back up. That's one leg. Now I'm going to draw his shoe, so he's got a tongue on his shoe. He's got this little piece there. Now his shoe comes around, and then curves back around, and then he needs the sole of his shoe. Curve that around like this, back up, and then we've got another little bit of his shoe here. This is sort of side on, so that's his leg, and this is where his shoe comes. Sole of the shoe comes around, and then this is like the tongue of his shoe coming around like that, and then he's got this little white bit there, and then he's got the sole of his shoe. So we're going to put, I might just bring his sole of his shoe around like this. That's the sole of his shoe. And that sort of tucks in there.